Health technology company Withings released a new gadget, U-Scan, at CES 2023 in Las Vegas. The U-Scan is designed to be installed in the toilet bowl, which gives users hands-free access to urine analysis. Just 90 mm in diameter, this health lab sits within any toilet bowl. It provides an immediate snapshot of body's balance by monitoring and detecting a large variety of biomarkers found in urine, while also offering actionable advice for health improvements. With more than 3000 metabolites, urine is an extraordinary witness to our health. It gives an immediate snapshot of the body's balance and can help detect and monitor a large variety of health information. While urine analysis is typically performed only once a year, UScan opens the door to regular access to these metrics from the comfort and privacy of one's own bathroom. UScan is a technologically advanced bevel-shaped reader and interchangeable analysis cartridges designed to assess specific biomarkers without the need for external sample capture or strips. The data capture is non-invasive, effortless, hands-free, and automatic. Each cartridge lasts 3 months and can easily be changed to meet all your needs. Each cartridge is made of a dozen test pods containing specific types of biomarker tests. When placed in the reader, this versatile system can support nearly limitless medical and health use cases simply by adopting the test pods. UScan is composed of two parts. One is reader and another one is cartridge. The reader is technologically advanced bevel-shaped device which contains all the components required for urine sample collection, analysis by optical means, and data transfer by Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. Reader dimensions are 90 by 28.5 millimeters and the weight is 110 grams. The cartridge is an interchangeable component. It is a cylindrical plastic pod inserted in the Withings U-Scan reader, which contains dozens of test pods composed of chemical reagents which can detect the level of various human biomarkers in urine. Cartridge dimensions are 62.55 by 15 millimeters and weight is 15 grams. The U-Scan battery is designed to last for up to 3 months and each cartridge is also designed to last for 3 months. U-Scan will be made available in Europe in the coming months. U-Scan is not for sale in the United States but is in development and there are plans for it to be made available following FDA clearances. U-Scan is designed to be compatible with most Western style toilets. The device can be mounted within the toilet bowl thanks to an included fixation arm. The product includes several fixation arm sizes, making it able to adapt to most toilet shapes. U-Scan was specifically designed to live in the toilet environment. When closed, the product is flash and water resistant. Urine or toilet pollutants cannot penetrate to the inside. U-Scan is made with a glass fiber reinforced material that can resist the toilet environment. The product's surface is designed to be rinsed with each toilet flush, just like the ceramic of the toilet bowl. With the U-Scan cycle sync, Withings aims to relieve women of the mental load that comes with monthly hormonal fluctuations. U-Scan is the world's first hormonal-based cycle sync guide. In addition, they will provide key hydration and nutrition biomarker analysis, recommended actions based on cycle paces, and data correlation for an optimized menstrual cycle. With the NutriBalance, Withings aims to make healthy eating a keystone of preventive health. NutriBalance is the first non-invasive solution to evaluate the impact nutrition and water intake have on our metabolism. Depending on one's objectives and results, actions such as advice, recipes, and activities will be recommended on a daily basis in order to help anyone find their balance. The U-Scan, NutriBalance, and Cycle Sync cartridges are not medical devices. Both are intended to encourage and help the user maintain a healthy lifestyle. Users will be able to buy U-Scan starter kit for around 500 euros to get one U-Scan reader and one cartridge, Cycle Sync or NutriBalance, that provides 3 months of testing. Users will then have a choice to subscribe to automatic refills around 30 euros monthly subscription or buy standalone cartridges on withings.com.